Hey there, Alex and Tom. I will tell you that the winds have been blowing in, and so have the unhappy passengers as well. I can tell you within the last 5 minutes, I did check the FlightAware website. There have been 521 delays and a total of 146 cancellations today alone at DIA. I can also tell you that the departures, they've been the brunt of this. Most of those people have been impacted. But if you ask a lot of those passengers that were arriving, they'll tell you that it was a bumpy ride.
It was just rough.
A lot of turbulence.
Turbulence.
Yeah, a lot
yes.
of turbulence. She was squeezing my hand the whole time.
Now, I'm going to call them the lucky couple since they were able to make it to their destination, but thousands of others are also hoping to make it somewhere safely at some point today. The flight board has been covered in yellow and red all day long, showing the hundreds of delays and cancellations. Many people got here early just to learn that their flight was impacted. Then there was the frantic rush to figure out what's next. I spoke to one gentleman who was supposed to be heading back home to Dallas. Instead, he's spending another night in Denver.
We're supposed to start boarding at 9:07 Frontier, and like 15 minutes before they canceled our flight. They didn't tell us why, but that's basically what happened. They canceled our flight, and I went to customer service, and they didn't have any flights going out until Friday. So that was like the earliest.
So he had a friend come and pick him up. He's hoping to get out of Denver to be able to make it back to Dallas by Friday. So we want to wish him the best of luck with that. In the meantime, I can tell you that ground delay that the FAA has in effect, that will end at 6 unless the winds continue to pick up a little bit. Also, along with that, it's starting to show that these delays are decreasing, so hopefully all goes well for the rest of the evening. But Alex and Tom, I can also speak to just the severity of these winds. DIA has a total of 6 runways. Only 2 of those runways are being used and have only been used so far today.